I look ridiculous.
12 seconds later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying 3 trendy hairstyles that I've been wanting to try for a while. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So excuse how my hair is looking right now, but the first hairstyle I'm gonna do is one that I've always wanted to do for a long time, but I felt like my hair wasn't long enough, so I never did it. But now I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna just skip over and just explain what I did, like fast forward, so it's like not that long, you know. By the way, my hair is so oily right now, and I just cut my ends, but it looks like I need to cut them again because they're so bad. So basically what I'm doing, I just took 2 pieces out from the front, and I'm taking a piece from the side and putting it up as like a small tiny ponytail for the side, and just scrunching it up with a hair tie. Now I'm just taking a small rubber band that you use for your hair, and I'm putting it into different sections in my in the ponytail that I just created. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't know how to do this, and I already look crazy. This looks so bad. Oh my God. What is this? What is going on here? What is actually happening here right now? I don't like it at all. We're gonna do the other side and okay, now I'm just doing the same thing for the other side. I feel like I just messed up here. Like up here is just like not it. Like not it, bro. Try again. Okay, I think that looks better, kind of. This hairstyle, I feel like it's called the onion hairstyle. I don't know, but it reminds me of onions, so if that's the answer, then yeah. I look ridiculous. What the actual? It's just that my hair is so thin. This is why I've always wanted to do this hairstyle, but my hair is not thick enough, or I don't know. My hair's so thin and it's tiny. I don't know. It's so fragile. It doesn't look good. Maybe if I just connect it here so it doesn't look like it's popping out. Like connect it with this piece right here. Maybe that would look better. Okay, that looks a bit better. It's not like popping out like before. Alright, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It could be worse. It could be way worse actually. If you have any tips on how I can make this better, please let me know. Okay, so this next hairstyle, I'm just parting my hair to the side and bringing in like the front section of my hair to the side and securing it with 2 bobby pins. First, I'm going to try with the blow dryer, and if it doesn't like work out the way I want it to, I'm going to have to use a flat iron, which I don't want to. But so now I'm taking one of these hair rollers and putting a bobby pin in and spraying my hair with this spray. It's like a heat protecting spray. I ran out of bobby pins, so I just decided to do one hair at a time. So I'm getting a blow dryer and just blowing it out and seeing how it looks, but then it was just bad, so I didn't use that technique. So then I started getting a brush and the hair dryer and just blowing it out like that, and then putting my hair up into little anchoitas, which is just like I take 2 fingers and roll my hair up and then secure it with a bobby pin. And I did that for like the rest of my hair. Now I'm taking this contour gel and putting it on the little section on the side that I have there, so just so it can be more secure and stay down, so the hairstyle could look way better. And then I'm just leaving in my hair in those bobby pin things for a while, and then just taking them out, and look how cute they look from before. So the last one is basically just like this, but like with my hair like in a half ponytail, like the way Ariana Grande had it in her music video. So let's try that. So basically I just took off the side part and just put my hair in like a half up, half down ponytail like Ariana Grande usually does. It already became flat like the bottom pieces. Whatever. This one is cute too, but my favorite is still the second one that I did. Super cute. I just wish I knew how to like keep it like stay up more and like with more volume. If you guys know how to, let me know. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment down below which one's your favorite and which ones you plan on trying at home. Thank you so much all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.